Hey guys, so this is a simple review of the AM8 microphones. So you get the manual, the mic, the stand, and the USB. So plugging it in straight to my laptop, this is what it looks like. You have the RGB at the bottom, and you also have this like sensor that you press on it, and it changes the colors. And if you hold it, it turns it off. You hold it again, turns the colors back on. You also have the gain. Right now it's at 100 because I feel like this can handle the bass good. And this is if you want to listen to yourself. There's a headphone jack at the bottom, as you guys can see. There's also an XLR and a USB-C. Right now I'm using USB-C. I don't have XLR. And most of you guys are going to use it for USB anyways, USB-C. So this is the mute button. It's pretty good. Snap. It doesn't glitch or anything. The foam is pretty thick. And this is a solid mic. I'm gonna cut the chase. This sound quality you guys have been hearing the whole time I've been recording with it. So genuinely, streaming, content creation, this is a very good mic for you. Just get it at a good price.